Hi, welcome to Snapdeal Payment and Reconciliation software. This software would help you in reconciliation of your payments received from Snapdeal. This software would work for Snapdeal Plus as well as your OneShip or Vendorship. This software would take 4 input files. Number 1, invoice file. Number 2, RTO, which is also returns. Number 3, cancellation. And number 4, payments. Payment file which you receive in your mail from Snapdeal. Now let me walk you through the software. Let me first load the invoice file here. Here the sales file. I click on OK. As you see, the process is being done. Okay, 4087 data has been copied. Click OK. Then we have RTO, that is returns. Okay, the download is successful. Next we have the cancellation files. Then we have the bank payment files. Bank payment files, as you know, is received in your mail from Snapdeal. Okay, the download is successful. Now let me reconcile it for you. So the reconciliation is done. Now let me go to the compact view and see the results. Click on refresh here. So you have got all the data reconciled on this particular sheet. So you can see here the invoice details, the cancel details if any, the RTO, the bank payments, and debit against return, that is bank debits for each and every invoice. And in the last column you have balance figure. In the balance figure, if you see 0 indicates that you have received the payments. Let me select non-zero records. Here if you see, for all these invoices your payment is pending from Snapdeal. Okay, so this way you can have, see here you can see an invoice here which has bank return but there is no payment. So all these kind of records can be captured here. So this is my compact view. Next, if you want a summarized view of that compact view, you can come here and select the date range for that, whatever date range you want, which can be month or year. Then click on refresh. The data is refreshed. As you can see here, the total number of sale units, turnover, amount, commission, again for returns, cancelled. You'll be getting the data here. This is your yearly data in graphical representation and monthly data for the year 2015 in graphical representation. Here as you see, you have graphs plus also in numbers. A unique feature of this is you can have, this is in terms of units. If you want in terms of value, you can also do that. I'll click on value and refresh. Now you see the data is converted into values. Okay. Now another feature of this is missing invoice. Missing invoice are those invoices which have not been loaded in this particular sheet. Let me go to that. So these are all the invoices which have not been loaded. Now another feature of this software is missing pending payments. Let me click on this. Missing pending payments would give you a detailed view of, see these are the detailed view of missing and pending sheets. These are all those IDs for which payment has to be received from Snapdeal. This is a detailed view. Likewise, you have bank missing payments. These are all those suborder IDs for which Snapdeal has deducted an amount from you but has not credited you anything. So such records also can be captured. So this was your detailed view. You can also have summarized view here. Let me refresh it for you. I'll do a Recon and refresh. So here you see you have a summarized view of the missing payments in terms of units and turnover, and also for the pending payments. Another interesting feature for one ship and vendor ship is physical return issue and dispute. So whenever you get in physical return, you can just input the suborder ID here. Let me input something here. Then you can also type in the date and say if it is disputed or not. Disputed means that you have received a broken piece or something like that. Okay. Likewise, you can have n number. So whenever you get a return, you have to maintain the data here. Now we can process this physical return issue from here. Same way, disputed from here, and reconcile and refresh. Now this would give you this would give you the units for which there was a physical return issue, and this would give you the disputed number of units. Okay, so this is my physical returns and disputed figures. Now another interesting feature for Snapdeal Plus users is Snapdeal Plus inventory. An interesting feature wherein whenever you send your products to Snapdeal inventory, you note down your POHA number here and SKU codes here, your inventory, the number of products which you have sent of that particular SKU. Now once all that you have maintained, you can click on refresh here. So your data would be refreshed. So here you can see for how much units you have received payment and for how much units the payment is pending. That's it from our end. Do contact us for any queries at lpbackofficesystems@gmail.com or call us at 9849713635. Thank you.